Hello, hello, hello. I am back with another video for some more soup. Today I'm going to make a tofu noodle soup, but I won't be using the noodles today. I just want to eat it as is with the vegetables and the broth. So to start, I took the recipe from the back of the Better Than Bouillon no chicken base, and starting 5 cups of water already in the pot, 2 tablespoons of chicken base in the pot. I've got a cup of red onions, cup of carrots, cup of celery, and not on the recipe, but I am using to switch it up for the cold and flu season so I can get my immunity up more. Put in a little bit of diced garlic. It was 3 small cloves. Then I got a little knob of ginger. Got some chopped mushrooms, Cremani mushrooms. I think it was about 4 or 5. This is actually clean out the refrigerator soup. And I had a zucchini that I found in the back of the drawer, so I'm gonna throw that in there too. Stir all that up together. My little spice pack here, there is a half a teaspoon of poultry seasoning, a half a teaspoon of powdered garlic, and I am using some Korean red pepper in mine. On the recipe it calls for black pepper, but I'm going to try it this way this time. In it goes. Ooh, that smells good. I have got a 12.3 ounce block of extra firm tofu. If you can see that, I'm going to let this come to a boil, get all the goodies together in there, and then once that is done, I will put my tofu, and I will put everything in the description box. Tell me how you like it if you try it. Thanks for joining me again today. See you on the other side.